Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Fiat vehicle guys, anything made by Chrysler Corporation and you're trying to replace your tire pressure sensor guys, we will explain guys where it's located, okay, how to replace it and how to install the tire without breaking the new sensor, okay, and how to get it out in one piece because you can otherwise damage your valve stem. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys, we'll save you money guys and you can do the repairs on your own. If you need any tools or parts, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all the tools and parts from, and pretty much guys, really good price and fast shipping as well. This is guys, okay, wheel out of a Dodge vehicle, this Dodge vehicle, but anything made by Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep guys, the procedure practically will be the same, and we're going to explain all that now. You have to be extremely careful how you remove it and how you install it, because otherwise you can damage not only just the valve stem but your wheel as well if that sensor gets stuck between the tire machine and the sensor as well. So we have guys the wheels removed. That will be first step. Remove your wheel. Jack the car up, use a jack stand always guys, make sure that the car is not going anywhere, use tire chokes. Now what I'm going to do, I'll get, let me get the tool here to remove the valve stem so we can release all the air out of it, and we'll continue with the replacement of the Tpms sensor. Okay, right there now. I'm going to go ahead and remove the valve stem needle now, and we just empty the whole tire until it's completely out of air. So this is the tire machine that we're using. If you want to check it out, the link will be in the description of the video below guys. This is the balancer. Actually they're very affordable machines and they work amazing. We've been using them for over, well, close to a year now, and we haven't had any problems with it guys. And we're just running a little bitty air compressor right here, 6-gallon DeWalt air compressor that pumps all the way to 165. So that little bitty thing can actually guys run those tire machines. It's simply amazing. So what we're going to do now, okay, I'm going to go ahead and start breaking the bead loose now. So always guys, use gloves. I recommend to use eye protection as well guys. So I'm going to get the tire now and I want to explain you a few things before we continue. So by the way guys, if you want to check out steel toe athletic shoes, check it out guys. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Now that's on guys, most Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler and Fiat vehicles, especially anything probably made after 2010. Okay, that valve stem right here guys, you can see this is the valve stem. That's where your Tpms sensor is located. It's located on the valve stem. Now some older vehicles back in the day when they first started putting Tpms, I think Ford was using those, they used to be actually mounted on the wheel with a metal kind of like a big zip tie band. But since then guys, okay, probably since 2007-8, they're on the valve stem, most of them guys, 98-99% of the time. So when you break the bead loose, do not apply any pressure guys to, okay, I would say that area right here, otherwise you're gonna break it. Now the same thing guys will apply. I'm going to mark where that valve stem is on this side. Okay, so when I break it on the back side, I can check that thing out as well, because otherwise I'll lose track and it's easily, okay, it's super easy to damage that thing. So let's break it loose now. So now guys, we're going to actually bring, okay, the valve stem right here. Why? I want to show you something guys, a trick now. We're going to go ahead and bring the tire arm down. The Tpms sensor and the valve stem are right here now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, okay, open the tire now, okay, and pry right here, but I have to be very careful not to catch the sensor. Now once you do that, guys, okay, I'm going to, okay, get that thing over and I'm going to spin the tire. You want the tire to come out, okay, the first spot to come out is where your TPMS sensor is, guys. That is the first spot that you want to get out. Now I'm going to come to the other side. Okay, let me come back actually a little bit. Perfect, okay, like that. And I'm going to go, guys, okay, right here, and you're going to see the sensor. Okay, this is your sensor, guys. And I want to flip the tire this way. Okay, you want the first thing to come out is your tire where the TPMS sensor is located. Perfect. Now I'm going to remove that tire and let me explain, guys. It's, by the way, one heavy tire. It's some kind of off-brand tire, but let me explain, okay, how we're going to release that sensor now, guys. Okay, this is it right here. On most of the sensors that I've worked so far that we fixed, you have a screw right here that you need to remove. In this case, this is not the case, guys. There is one little bitty plate that says press. So press in there, guys. Okay, press and pull. Okay, pull that sensor out right there. Once you press, guys, okay, you just pull the sensor out. Now, why those things sometimes quit? Because you guys have a battery inside, and that battery, what will happen actually over time, it will die, get weak, especially cold climate, cold temperatures, and that could be the reason, okay, for the sensor to quit working. So we'll go ahead, grab the new one. If you need to buy some sensors, guys, check out the link and see where we get all our tools and parts from. So you get the new sensor, all you have to do, just grab it, okay, and push it until it clicks. Listen now. Perfect. Make sure it doesn't come out, and now we're ready to install the tire. Now things go in reverse order, guys. We'll show you guys. You have to be extremely careful because you can break your sensor. I will explain what we need to do. First, we're going to lubricate the tire. Need to make sure that it's lubricated good so we can go on the wheel, and we'll show you guys what needs to be done to replace it now, to install it actually. Okay, tire is lubricated, we are ready to put it on. Now I'm going to explain quick, guys, but if you're wondering, okay, on your tire, why you have, guys, different dots, yellow and red, guys, we have a video on the channel that explains all that, so please check it out. What we're trying to do now, we're going to bring the valve stem, guys, okay, to about 180 degrees from where we started earlier. Okay, and we're going to start getting the tire in on this side. And the valve stem and the tire pressure monitor sensor should be the last thing to go in, guys. Check it out now. Perfect. Now I'm going to come and bring it on this side again. Okay, I almost got the tire. You have to be extremely careful because otherwise you will damage the sensor. Okay, align the dots. Check out the video, guys, very helpful video. Okay, and install this one now as well. So all we have left now, okay, inflate our tire and everything should be fine, guys. Release it, of course, from the tire machine. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.